So till the machine starts up, let us just have an outlook of the keys. These keys, as you can see, this is the trackball, and these are the various keys like report key, measure key, and everything. Here we have mode keys. We have B, 2B, 4B, M. We have PW, color flow mapping, cardiac, 3D, 4D, and this is the update button to update these parameters. This is the probe selection key. This is used for storing the images, and this for sign storage. This is for switch keys of left and right and up and down. These two knobs are value knobs. Like we can change these parameters. We can press this one parameter. That will be selected, and we can then change the parameter using this knob. This place is dedicated for the patient information section and as well as different imaging modes. This is TGC, keyboard, and on-off switch. We have a reset and on-off, and these are multiple function keys that we will see when we are operating the machine. So as you can see now, there is different probes are shown in the interface. So what we have to do, we have to select a probe for which we want to start the operation. For example, let's start with convex. We can just take the cursor over the probe, and then we press this set key like this, and then you can see the machine will initialize the probe and call upon the image. And to understand whether the probe is working or not, you can just tap on it and you can see the shadow like this popping up on the screen. So that is what the probe is on live status. So now what we want to do, we will go for a demo scan, and we will create a demo report to understand that how this machine operates. So we are just going to put on some jelly on the probe. See, you can see the reflections and the paneling of this thing. And now we are just going to do a test scan on ourselves. Let's see. Okay, so here we can see the liver part. As you can see this is our liver coming up, and the gallbladder, hopefully, yeah, this is. And so this is the kidney. Okay, so everything we can see how the scanning operates and the resolution. Now what we'll do, we'll just freeze some images and we'll create a demo report just to understand the working of this machine. So what we are going to do, we are just going to change this thing. As you can see, this is now on one parameter. Now if we just preset it, it is on OBS selected now. If we just go to a different parameter, we can adjust here, and likewise we are just selecting abdomen for test purpose. We selected it and we press select. The machine will call upon the different imaging parameters, as you can see, or the differences on image at this moment, like this. So this is GB, kidney, liver arc. You can see everything on one image actually. So let's just have some measurements, boost some measurements of the general parameters. Like, let's freeze this, and yeah, we want to measure like the length of the liver. So we go and select abdomen, we can select liver, and then we can go for the measurement like this way. And or if you just want to see the different reporting parameters, you have like liver, gallbladder thickness. This is wall thickness, this is gallbladder, portal veins, spleen, and there are other various measurements like right kidney and left kidney, volume and cortex. So for example, if you go for kidney, this is let's just measure the right kidney. Let's just apply some more jelly firstly. Okay, so here you can see the right kidney. And we freeze it. So now we want to go for the measurement of right kidney. What we do, we just select this. We go to application and we select the right kidney. We select volume. So there has to be 3 volumes. I'm just taking some dummy measurements to get the reporting done. These measurements or these values are not meant to be professional in order. So this is just a dummy measurement that we had made. And now if we want to give a notation, what we can do, we can just press this comment button. We can take this cursor here, press comment button. Okay, we just have to exit from this place. Nice. Now we press close. Now we have to input some comments, annotations. We press comment. See the box appears here. You can place right kidney and then we press set. So you can see these annotations over here, and if you just press the store button, the image will be stored inside the machine directory, and you can recall these images from this part as well. This is a marker for the probe. So this is how the machine operates. Let's see some color flow movements as well. I think we can just find out the stomach and we can see the color flow mapping and PDI and everything. So yes, this is you can see the pancreas over here. Yeah. Or you can see this. So what we can do, we can just go to CNF and you can see the different, see this is the pancreas over here. And this is the spleen coming up. So if you just want to shorten this value, what you can do is just select like this. And for a smaller and more accurate, output, and you can go to PW and okay, then if you just maybe go out So see, this is a gain key. You can adjust the gain using this key, and you can set this screen gain ratio to your desired level. Just trying to get the kidney in a good frame for CFM. So now what we are going to do, we are just going to see some dummy measurements so that how can we create an OB report. We first freeze the frame and we press the measure button. We select the OB application. There are two parts, early and later obstetrics. And early obstetrics give you these parameters like tangential, sac or humeral length and everything. And the later obstetric that gives you the more commonly used parameters to determine fetus weight and birth time, EDD. So this is like I said, selecting BPD, I can see the cross appearing here, and see you can finally see the EDDs like this. So this is one, and then we can select the HC as well. So this is how we select both the axis and EDD and of like our BPD and HC. And here you can see the running out images measurements that you can also see over here. So when the measurement is confirmed, you press select, and this measurement, as you can see, it is confirmed and stored. And now for example, we unfreeze it, and then let's assume we go for 2D modes, and here we can measure the AC and FL, which is the basic measurements for pregnancy scanning or obstetrics. So again we go there and we select AC, same like just like what we had done while we were measuring. So here you can see the AC appear coming up, confirm this thing. And then we have femoral length in long bones. There are different kind of bones appear here, so we just select femoral, and we select the femoral length somewhere close by. So this is it, we confirm it, and we can see the fetus weight and everything coming up. Now what we want to do, if we want to create a report, we can either go to report from this place directly, or we can press this button like report, and you can see different reports that is saved in this format that is saved in the machine. We go to obstetric report, we press set, and we see this is the basic page that we can comment. So here you can, as you can see, this is the hospital name, the doctor, and all are selected in dummy basis. So here you can put patient name, medical record number, or any other memo that if you have. You want to put one images here. So what you can do, you have the gallery over here, you just go to the gallery, press select, the image will come up. And if you want to select it, press like this. Okay, there will be different images, like see if you have many other images, you can call it from the directory as well. For say, let's see, yeah, here you can see different images. You can just select one, press open, and you can put the image over here. So these are all previous images that we had done while we are testing the equipment. So just like this. And you can also add diagnosis module. For example, we have added one demo module over here, so we can just select it, and you can see everything will come up. Press select, the module will come over here. Okay, so now this is our report, and we have this is the first page, as you can see, 1 out of 3. And then we are going to the next page where we can have, you know, different parameters, different parameters that we have measured over here. Like we have measured BPD, we have measured FL, we have measured AC. So now if we just save this report will be saved, like we create a file name test 2, and this report is saved in the memory forever. So this is what is all about to see in this Crystal 40D. Thanks for watching.